So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Eureka Forbes Inverter AC and E3 error is coming in that AC and the LED light of the outdoor unit is blinking 28 times, then how can you fix this error? That too can be done very easily. So let's start the video. If E3 is coming in Eureka Forbes AC and the LED light of the outdoor unit is blinking 28 times, then it is the error of the evaporator sensor. In simple words, it can be called coil sensor. This sensor is installed in the coil of the indoor unit. This error can occur in your AC due to three reasons. It is possible that the wire of the coil sensor may have been cut by a rat. If the rat has cut the wire of the coil sensor, then reconnect the wire. Then this error will be completely fixed. And if the rat has not cut the wire of the coil sensor and still this error is coming, so you look at the sensor connector in the PCB. This error also occurs due to loose connection. Or even if you remove the connector and reinsert it, this error will be fixed. And even after that it is not fixed, then you can replace the evaporator temperature sensor coil sensor. Then this error will be completely fixed. Generally this error occurs due to sensor problem. Most of the time this problem gets completely cured by changing the sensor. And if this problem is not fixed after changing the sensor, then you will have to change the power circuit board. I hope you have understood the information given by me. Then please like my video.